going to have a look at the idea of turnaround facts, and we're going to think about this idea that once you know one times table fact, you can flip the numbers and you also know another times table fact. So for example, if I've learnt my 3 times table, I've learnt that 4 lots of 3 makes 12. So when I come next to learn my 4 times table, I don't need to learn 3 times 4 as a fact because I already know 4 times 3. Now it's not enough to know this as a rule. We need to play with some kind of manipulative and prove it to ourselves and develop a really good conceptual understanding of it and a belief in it so that we can apply it. Okay, so I've got 12 of these little art balls here, and I'm going to prove to myself that 4 lots of 3 makes 12. So this is my 3 times table I've been working on. I've got 3, 6, 9, 12. I can see my 4 groups of 3 makes 12. So is it true if I know that 4 times 3 is 12, then 3 times 4 must also be 12? Well, let's have a look. Can I make groups of 4? Yes, I can. I've got 3 lots of 4, and yet that also equals 12. So let's think of another fact. Let's think of, oh well, what about, I've done my 2 times table and I've learnt that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There we go. I've learnt that 6 times 2 is 12. So if I've learnt 6 times 2 is 12, when I come to my 6 times table, I can do 2 lots of 6 is 12. And yes, look, I've just proven to myself that it's true, that I only really need to learn one of those facts. Now, for any parents watching, it's really important that we practice it over and over again. So finding any sort of thing at home, any small things, paper clips, pencil, something to do this with repeatedly will help to consolidate that understanding.